Here you go. See, I told you. Comes Annabelle. Good job.
Daddy, I got used to it.
You got used to it?
Yeah.
You want to try it again?
Yeah.
All right, try it again. Here they go. Annabelle's heading up the hill. Yeah, where did that guy come from? Come on, Bella, get up the hill.
Don't come yet.
Okay, here's the scooter girls. All right. Here goes Annabelle. Yay, good job, Annabelle. Here goes Bella.
Look.